వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. జై శ్రీకృష్ణ చైతన్య ప్రభు నిత్యానంద శ్రీ అద్వైత గదాధర శ్రీవాసాది గౌరభక్తవృంద. హరే కృష్ణ 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 హరే హరే, హరే రామ 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 హరే హరే. NOA, the Nectar of Instructions, episode 4. Sometimes people take the example. Srila Prabhupada initiated people. I initiated all unqualified people. Srila Prabhupada said like that. I initiated all unqualified people, not once, on a few occasions. Srila Prabhupada instructions are different. There is Anusarn, there is Anukarn. Two processes are there. Anusarn is what we need to do, not Anukarn. Just initiating. Srila Prabhupada did that. We shall also do that. Training is what Srila Prabhupada emphasizing this. He wants the training to be given. Criteria for thinking is changed. Normally, a man makes decisions based on criteria of sense gratification. But a devotee makes a decision is what pleases Krishna. Even there is difficulty in doing that, like Srila Prabhupada. He took enormous difficulty to cross the ocean at the age of 70 and took all kinds of risks because his calculations was, this is what Krishna wants. For him, a very comfortable place, the Vrindavan, right next to Rupa Goswami Samadhi, right next to Kesi Ghat. Take a bath anytime you want. So we have to start thinking in this way. And we cannot imitate those in the more advanced position, the way they are thinking. They are directing us to think. Somebody is very exalted, was thinking on deeper level. Those who was not so exalted, they have to, at the level they situated. We should not imitate. Srila Prabhupada built 108 temples. Why not me? Like that. We should not imitate. You can take 108 bricks. That's only impossible. You are certainly disappointed. Srila Prabhupada was not doing himself. Krishna is doing. Krishna is empowered to do it. We have to think according to directions they given. And remember Guru. To learn to see Krishna's interest. Krishna's interest is rise early in the morning, chant japa, and take care of family. That may be Krishna's interest. Oh, everybody is preaching nicely. So much smoke is coming everywhere. Why I am not? This is material calculation. You have been trained to come that consciousness, to preach properly. Charity begins at home. So, learn to preach family members, not compel, with compassion. To teach philosophy, family members, to your friends. And then you bring it nicely. Krishna empower to you, contact more people, message to others. But if you try my personal every day for 4 hours for my practice, my sadhana, and speaking to somebody, because no one to preach to. But I would assure to, there is room full of people at one time, at some time, or at any time in my life. I saw a group of people, some challenging people, who would raise the questions. I should defeat them. No one is here from me. And I would speak so many years like that. I never get tired. I free to speak. Then I went to a temple. That's all. I was doing quite some time. So you have to follow the guidance from superiors. How to serve Krishna. What is pleasing to Krishna. To consider his interest. How did you do your occupation? How did you do your occupational duties? I was doing for Krishna. You are eager to move forward. You are eager to be dynamic and self-responsibility and so on. This is service to Krishna. Balance your mind properly. You cannot spend 8 hours a day studying Ishopanishad or studying the nectar of instruction. You won't have the taste. Let us better you take this, study well. Then your parents will encourage. There will be encourage. Otherwise, there will be concern. Each one of us, some responsibilities. Our relationship with Krishna. We should have some inquiring mood. That is Sadharma Pruksha. How to connect these activities doing with Krishna. Getting a deeper and deeper understanding of that, and then you become very powerful. Kings like Prithu Maharaj, they run the society. They also do practical activity of Krishna. In some times, it appeared doing ordinary material activity. Unless you would understood the consciousness of the person. I am extremely punctual in my work. Grade all the papers and give papers very next day. For so many years, students were stunned in high schools and in 4th, 5th class. Nobody else did it. I was doing that because it will please Krishna. Their conceptions completely changed. After seeing this, they used to think spiritual life means going to Himalayas, renouncing this world, not being successful in material life. You are a loser. Therefore, you are accepting spiritual life. I will stop now. I am stopping here. I will continue in next episode. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, गुरु महाराज की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंद हरे हरि बोल। हरे